Now let us talk about what are parallel and perpendicular lines. So parallel and perpendicular lines can be studied using the slopes or the gradient of a line. So suppose this is a Cartesian system, all right? And for any line to be parallel, they should have the same inclination. That means they should have the same angle from the positive x-axis, right? This angle should be same. That means the slope, which is equal to tan of theta, should be the same for parallel lines. And for perpendicular lines, there is a very special relationship between perpendicular lines, and that is, so if the lines are perpendicular and their respective slopes are m1 and m2, then for perpendicular lines, m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Or it is also written as m1 is equal to -1 over m2. For example, if a line had a slope of 3, then the line which is perpendicular to it will have a slope of -1/3. And you can also check that 3 into -1/3 is equal to -1. So that is how you can find the slope of a perpendicular line. Now using this, we can also find the equation of a line. So generally the equation of a line is written as y is equal to mx plus c. Then where m is obviously the gradient of the line and c is the y-intercept. So if you know what is a y-intercept, you can pause the video and you can write it in the comment section. And for those of you who don't know what y-intercept is, continue. So y-intercept is basically that when a straight line passes c units away from the origin and where it intercepts or cuts the y-axis. So this length is c and this point would obviously be 0, c. So if I say a line is passing through 0, 5, so the value of c would be 5 units. And then if I say the slope of the line is, let's say 3, then the equation of line will become 3x plus 5. And then we can find all the other points on the line based on what are the x and the y coordinates, right? So these are some basics of straight lines, and let us dive into solving some questions now.